Hi, and welcome to your Wellness Wednesday video. Today the flower essence that came up is the essence of holly, and it came up under the area of sharing. Holly is all about heart opening. So I think it kind of goes along with where a lot of the energies kind of are right now. Holly itself is to make the shift from seeing love as in a narrow perspective to a more sacred unity. So it's more about just opening that heart space so that you're able to give and receive more love. It's about seeing the unity and oneness within us all, and being open to sharing in that warmth and in that state. It also really helps to release feelings of jealousy, envy, all of those things. And I know a lot of people on the spiritual path might be listening to this and going, well, I'm not really jealous and envious. But I think why this is coming up and what I feel is a lot of people aren't even aware of the deeper levels of jealousy and envy. Like, it's not, I don't feel like this came up because of the more universal, I guess, known feelings of jealousy and envy, but more of that deep down, like, oh, I wish I had that, or I wish I had a relationship like that. I wish I had a business like that. I wish that my business was this successful, or that my relationship looked like that. Those are the types of envy as well. More subtler, that kind of thing. That's why I feel this one's kind of coming up. But it is all about what it's here to assist us with is to be able to, like I talked about, that oneness. And even if it's not outright jealousy, like you would think of it in a typical sense, it is still that separation. It still holds that separation for people. And so on more subtler levels, it's just that you've done more of the work and you're open so far, but there's still that part that is still hanging on to those old beliefs and keeping your heart closed just that little bit more. So if this resonates, you can definitely call Holly in. And I mean, it's a beautiful essence to help with any kind of heart clearing and opening up. So if you're kind of noticing that and feeling that, then you can definitely call it in. So I ask for the flower essence of holly to enter my energy fields, energy body, and physical consciousness with the help of the divine. I ask for the flower essence of holly to assist me with sustaining the shift from a limited and narrow conception of the self to one which is expansive and inclusive of others, and restoring a sense of sacred unity. I ask for the flower essence of holly to manifest, to integrate, and then wherever you might be feeling that, you can put your hands, I felt it for whoever this is coming in for, on their heart, and then just say, and stabilize. Say it as many times as you feel called. Like I said, it's a beautiful way to help us open our hearts to others, to be more involved in that sharing of love with everyone and all other beings on our planet. Just a beautiful heart opening essence. And as always, if you're interested in a personal session or healing, a soul alignment session, then you can definitely reach out and I can assist you with moving along your soul's path, however that may be for you. Working with the essences to help you clear away the whatever wants releasing or whatever energy you might need to call in. In the meantime, Take care and much love.